Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to divide a mixed number by another mixed number. To do this question, you will write this mixed number as an improper fraction. So you will do 8 times 4, which is 32. Then 32 plus this one on top, you have 33 over the denominator again, which is this 8 that I circled. Then you write your division again. You write this as an improper fraction. You will do 2 times 2, that gives 4. Then 4 plus this one on top, you have 5 over the denominator again, which is this 2 that I circled. Then you keep the fraction at the left the same, meaning you write 33 over 8 again. Change this division to multiplication. Then you flip 5 over 2. When you flip 5 over 2, 2 will go up and become the numerator. Then 5 will come down and become the denominator. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 33 and 8. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 2 and 5. Check the diagonal. Apart from 1, there is a number that can divide both 8 and 2, and that number is what? 2. So we are dividing by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Check the second diagonal. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 33 and 5. So you multiply the numerators that are left. You do 33 times 1. That gives you 33 over. You multiply the denominators. You do 4 times 5. That gives 20. Now you can't stop here because 20 is carrying a number that is bigger than itself. You have to write 33 over 20 as a mixed number. You will draw your division symbol. Inside you write 33. Then you put your 20 here. 20 into 33, it will go 1. Then 20 times 1 is 20. Then you subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now this remainder that I circled, write it as a numerator over the denominator in this improper fraction, which is 20. So the answer becomes 1 whole number 13 over 20, right? Now let's look at the next question. To do this one, you will write this as an improper fraction. You will do 4 times 7, which is 28. Then plus the 1 on top, you have 29. So you write 29 over the denominator, which is this 4 that I circled. You write your division again. Then you write this second mixed number as an improper fraction. You will do 5 times 9, which is 45. Then 45 plus the 4 on top, you have 49. So you write 49 over the denominator again, which is this 5 that I circled. Then you keep the fraction at the left the same, meaning you write 29 over 4 again. Change this division to multiplication. Then you flip 49 over 5. When you flip 49 over 5, 5 will go up and become the numerator. Then 49 will come down and become the denominator. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 29 and 4. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 5 and 49. Check the diagonal. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 4 and 5. Check the second diagonal. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 29 and 49. So you multiply the numerators. You do 29 times 5. Okay, let's do that quickly. 29 times 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Write 5, put 4 here. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus the 4 on top, you have 14. So you write 145 over. Then you multiply the denominators. You do 4 times 49. Let's do that quickly. 49 times 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Write 6, put 3 here. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus the 3 on top, you have 19. So you have 196. So the final answer becomes 145 over 196. Now I want you guys to do this next question and send in your answer in the comment section. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.